Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with OFX Money Transfer. OFX Money Transfer offers international money transfer services, primarily targeting individuals and businesses needing to send money overseas. It aims to provide a cost-effective alternative to traditional banks, often boasting better exchange rates and lower fees. Key features include online transfers, 24/7 customer support, and the ability to lock in exchange rates. Their website provides details on the various currencies they support and the different transfer options available. They emphasize transparent pricing, highlighting no hidden fees and often comparing their rates to those of banks. They use a combination of technology and human expertise to facilitate transfer securely and efficiently. You can check availability and get a quote directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using OFX Money Transfer. I needed to send some money to a family member in Europe, and after comparing a few options, OFX seemed promising. Getting started was pretty straightforward. I created an account online, providing the necessary identification and bank details. The verification process was relatively quick, taking about a day. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I entered the recipient's details, the amount I wanted to send, and the currency. OFX clearly displayed the exchange rate and the fees involved, which I appreciated. I was able to lock in a favorable exchange rate, ensuring my recipient received the expected amount. The transfer itself took about 2 business days, which was within the estimated time frame. I was really impressed by how easy it was to track the transfer's progress through the online dashboard. Every step was clearly outlined, from the initial processing to the final delivery. The standout feature for me was definitely the rate lock, as it eliminated the uncertainty of fluctuating exchange rates. I did have a quick question about the transfer process, and their support team responded within a few hours via email, which was helpful. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app at the time I used the service, though they might have one now. It meant I had to access the platform through my web browser on my phone, which wasn't ideal. It also took me a little while to get used to the different transfer options and figuring out which one suited my needs best. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using OFX Money Transfer. It offered a competitive exchange rate, transparent fees, and a relatively smooth transfer process. While the lack of a dedicated mobile app was a slight inconvenience, it didn't significantly detract from the overall positive experience. That's my overview of OFX Money Transfer. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.